AI or artificial intelligence is failing. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has made a commitment to spend $1.4 trillion over the next couple years to develop the company. However, what's worrying is they have only made around $13 billion in revenue. So I think the numbers are crazy. They're ready to spend $1.4 trillion with only proven $13 billion revenue. Another key point for ChatGPT is they have around 800 million weekly active users, but only about 5% of those 800 million users are actual subscribers, or they decided to buy a subscription. Let's look at another example, Salesforce. Recently, Salesforce, a cloud solutions provider and quite a big player in the IT world, has fired 4,000 employees to replace them with AI. However, just recently, the Salesforce executive has admitted that firing their employees was a big mistake, as they were too confident in AI. However, there has been another study in 2025 showing that 95% of projects generated by AI are failing. So for every 20 projects launched with AI, only one succeeds. The rest of 19 fail. Another brilliant example of AI slop is Windows. Windows is turning into a fully AI-driven company as they're integrating tools everywhere. And let me tell you, I've yet to see a user that is happy about Windows pushing AI tools everywhere. Linux is actually on the rise because of Windows Actions, and I fully support it. However, yes, AI has good uses, and I'm not saying AI is completely useless, because in some cases, AI is actually very helpful. You can ask AI for code which can be used for learning or even setting up quick environments like I do for my videos sometimes. But I wouldn't trust the AI code or what it's basically telling you to do without proper testing. Another good example of AI is, for example, the voice recognition feature in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whenever I edit my videos and I decide to throw in subtitles, I use AI as it saves me time, and the voice recognition of my words is basically 99%. And these are the kind of uses of AI I'm fully 100% supporting. But when it comes to handling users' data, I don't trust vibe coders or people that don't have an idea about development or security to handle users' data. Because remember, it is just not my data that might get leaked because of vibe coding, but it is also your friends and family. And think about it, what happens if your passport or your government ID gets leaked to the internet and someone, for example, takes a loan under your name? What are you going to do next? So this is what I'm saying, AI has good uses, but we should draw the line somewhere and we should not allow these projects to happen. Right, and that'll be it for this video. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about AI in the comments. Also, don't forget to check my socials, which will be in the description down below. And peace. Thank you for watching.